More food reviews, let's do this. And we have Batchelors pasta and sauce, chicken and mushroom flavour, £1.9 recommended retail price. I paid 50p in home bargains. They do like the on the stove ones that you cook with water and milk, which I do have one of them, I believe, so we'll be cooking that very soon. The idea is pour boiling water to the inside fill line, stir, cover with the lid, leave for 2 minutes, stir, reapply lid, wait, so we'll do 5 minutes. Okay, let's pop this lid off. See, I do not do it on the hob, but just kettle. Surprisingly, there's dry pasta. Like the inside fill line, which is that black line there. Okay, am I meant to stir this? Yeah, stir. There's a reaction happening in there. Yeah, stir it all together, cover with a lid, give it 2 minutes, stir again, give it 3 minutes. Okay, that doesn't. Oh, I may have. There you go. That's still fill line. That's slightly off. Okay, let's cover that. And I'll make a jump cut to when it's been 5 minutes. And that should have been 5 minutes. Let's take the top off. Mix with a quite thick looking sauce. Damn, for 50p, that's got a lot of pasta, a lot of sauce. I think I see a lump of what looks like chicken. Could be chicken, mushroom, goblin, raccoon, who knows? Let's try. That's nice. It just literally tastes like the one you do on the stove. But you do it with a kettle and it takes 5 minutes like the other one does. I can see the advantage, because if you can't be bothered to cook, you could just let it sit in a bloody pot for 5 minutes instead of you actually cooking it. Now, whether this is as good as the one you do on the hob, we will find out very soon. But, this is far better than that mug shop cheese pasta one that tasted like bloody broccoli. This is really, really good actually. I mean, very nice thick sauce. You've got little chunks of, I don't know if it's processed chicken. Let's actually try a little bit on the same. Yeah, it's definitely processed chicken. Yeah, it's quite flavourful. Tastes a lot like chicken and mushroom. Pasta's quite soft after even 5 minutes. Yeah, I thoroughly recommend this one. If you can go to Home Bargains and pick them up for 50p, get a load of them. That'll do you. If you're lazy like me and can't be bothered to cook, that would be fantastic. So yeah, I do hope you've enjoyed this review. If you have, please give this video a like. Please leave me any food suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to see more content and I'll catch you later. Bye!